In this video, I'll show you how to factory reset your Fire Stick TV in case you want to sell it or if you want to start again from scratch. First, you need to go in the settings that are right over here. Select them. Go down. My Fire TV. So now you'll have this menu. You need to go down to reset to factory default. This will remove all personal data and downloaded content from your Amazon Fire Stick TV. What it will also do is unlink your Amazon account from this Fire Stick. So the new owner or yourself, you'll need to re-enter your personal data to connect it to your Amazon account. So once you're done, I'm going to press reset over here. I won't do it because I don't need it, but it will take a few minutes, sometimes a few seconds, and it will be done. Thanks for watching, and please give a like and maybe leave a comment if this was helpful.